In this video, I will explain the property 2 of the Laplace transform. That is, property 2 is Laplace transform of t to the power of n into f of t, which is given by minus 1 to the power of n into d to the power of n by ds to the power of n of f of s, which means differentiate f of s n number of times. So where L of f of t is f of s. Now we'll understand this property by taking an example. Laplace transform of t square sin at. So now when you compare this with Laplace transform of t to the power of n and f of t, will get t square here and here t to the power of n, t power n and t square. When you compare these two, n will be 2 and f of t will be sin at. So therefore, Laplace transform of f of t equals Laplace transform of sin at. Laplace transform of sin at. So left hand side is denoted by f of s. F of s, that is right hand side is sin at Laplace transform a by s square plus a square. Now if you apply the property, first we will write the property. Laplace transform of t to the power of n, f of t is equals to minus 1 to the power of n d to the power of n by ds to the power of n of f of s. So in this example, n is 2. So therefore, Laplace transform of t square sin at, that is n is 2 minus 1 whole square. This becomes d square by ds square of 3 by, sorry, a by s square plus a square. D by ds means we have to differentiate this 2 times. I'll just repeat the same step. Minus 1 whole square will be 1. So which implies d by ds square of a by s square plus a square. Now differentiate it. Now I will differentiate this only one time. So I will write d by ds. I will write d by ds and I will differentiate this once. Here a by s square plus a square, u by v form. First denominator s square plus a square into differentiation of numerator. A is a constant, its derivative will be 0 minus a numerator into denominator derivative. S square derivative is 2s and a square derivative will be 0 divided by s square plus a square to the whole square. So this is the one time differentiation. So I'll simplify this. d by ds of numerator, this will be 0, will get minus 2as, because this first term becomes 0, only second term, divided by s square plus a square to the whole square. So again one more time differentiation. denominator, first denominator s square plus a square whole square, s square plus a square whole square, numerator minus 2a, s differentiation is 1, minus of minus 2as into denominator s square plus a square whole square, its differentiation will be 2 into s square plus a square into s square differentiation 2s and s square derivative will be 0 whole divided by s square plus a square whole square to the whole square. Again we have to write one more whole square. Now in the numerator s square plus a square is common, so I'll write it as s square plus a square is common. I'll take this as common. Remaining will be here minus 2a into this. So what happens? Minus 2a into s square plus a square. Here in the second term, minus into minus plus 2a and here one more 2 and here 2. So it becomes 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 into 2, 8. That is 8a. S into s, it becomes s square. So divided by s square plus a square to the power of 4. So because of s square whole square, this s square whole square will be s to the power of 4. Now this s square and this power 4 becomes 3. I'll simplify the numerator 2as into s square. So it becomes 2a square. 2a into a square, it will be 2a cube plus 8a square divided by s square plus a square whole cube. So now the numerator, this 8a square minus 2a square will be 6a square minus 2a cube divided by s square plus a square to the power of 3. So this is the Laplace transform of t square into sin at. So we can extend this method to the a t cube or a t to the power of 4 and so on. So